Today, we're diving into how MASIC Industries leverages rigorous quality control to deliver premium ceramic and powder coatings. MASIC is ISO 9001:2015 certified, reflecting a deep commitment to quality management and customer satisfaction. Surface finishing operations span advanced thin film coating solutions, specializing in ceramic, powder coating, PVD, and DLC.
All coatings begin with meticulous surface preparation. Sandblasting or manual cleaning removes contaminants, ensuring a clean base for adhesion. Precision masking is a key element in providing the highest level of aesthetics and consistency.
An example of MASIC's commitment to quality is our in-house special process coupon testing processes.
When we paint a product, it's not just about how the part looks or even how thick the coating is. Both of these characteristics are important, but there are other paint properties to consider. We run test coupons of the same material type family alongside the production parts to somewhat simulate production conditions, and we target the below tests based on ASTM guidelines to assure paint properties meet their intended use per the paint manufacturer's technical data sheet. Non-destructive tests. Detailed visual inspection. Utilizing paint suppliers' customers' swatch and cosmetic requirements. Coating thickness, utilizing a calibrated mill thickness gauge. Specular gloss, utilizing a calibrated gloss meter. Although this is not a destructive test, specular gloss testing relates to the ability of a surface to reflect light. Basically, you are determining how glossy or shiny a surface is at a 60-degree angle. Destructive tests. Adhesion test. In our experience, a mechanical cleaning method is the most effective for ensuring the coating adheres to the substrate for their intended application, be it for functional purposes, protection, or decoration. This test involves cutting through the coating to the substrate using a pre-established pattern and applying and removing pressure-sensitive tape to the cut zone and rating the results on a scale of 0 to 5. Pencil hardness. This test method is used to evaluate the hardness of a coating by using pencil hardness measurements to check scratch and gouge hardness. MEK rub test. By double rubbing the coated surface with a cloth or Q-tip and observing the effect on the coating after a predetermined amount of double rubs. Impact testing. Coatings may be subject to sudden impacts during use, transportation, or when handling. This test method is used to evaluate the impact resistance of coatings applied to substrates and helps determine how well a coating can withstand sudden impacts without cracking, chipping, or detaching from the substrate. Mandrel bend test. Coatings can be elongated and stressed during processing or when in use. If coating lacks sufficient flexibility, it can crack and compromise its protective or cosmetic qualities, potentially resulting in corrosion of the substrate. The mandrel bend test is used to assess how well a coating can withstand this elongation and deformation without cracking or detaching from the substrate.
Coupons are included in each work order and test results are retained. MASIC runs coupons alongside production to validate process parameters and to assure paint properties meet their intended use per the paint manufacturer's technical data sheet, or TDS.
To recap, clean, precise surface prep and masking. Special process coupon testing, utilizing ASTM guidelines to assure paint properties meet their intended use per the paint manufacturer's technical data sheet. Full-scale production guided by validated process parameters.
Want to know more about MASIC's coating capabilities or get a quote? Visit us at masicindustries.com.